Think free Bitcoin sounds too good to be true? Let's separate the facts from the hype right now. So how do you actually snag some free Bitcoin as a beginner? There are 5 legit ways, and here's the quick rundown. First, crypto faucets and reward sites. These are like arcade games for your phone. Play, watch ads, or fill out a survey, and you'll earn tiny pieces of Bitcoin called Satoshis. Second, learn and earn programs. Watch quick videos, ace a quiz, and get paid in crypto. Places like Coinbase and Binance make it simple. Third, sign up and referral bonuses. Some exchanges give you free Bitcoin for creating an account or inviting a friend. Fourth, crypto back rewards. Shop or use certain credit cards and get a little Bitcoin back for stuff you'd buy anyway. Fifth, play to earn games. Love gaming? Some games pay you with real crypto just for playing. Remember, the payouts are tiny, but it's a safe, fun way to dip your toes into crypto. Stay alert, secure your wallet, and enjoy the ride.